Hi, welcome to another video. Mirror dashcams are becoming increasingly popular with drivers. These cameras are mounted on the rear view mirror, so they have an unobstructed view of the road behind you. If you're looking to buy a mirror dashcam in 2022, here are 5 great options. All links and details are on the description below. The AZDOME PG17 is a mirror dashcam that can be installed on your rearview mirror to provide video evidence in case of a car accident. It records high-quality 1080p videos with a 170-degree wide-angle lens and includes an adhesive mount for easy installation. The camera also has loop recording, which means it will automatically overwrite the oldest video file when the memory card reaches capacity, up to 64 GB. The AZDOME PG17 makes it easy to watch recorded footage thanks to its built-in 2.7 inches LCD screen and playback mode that lets you view events at regular speed or in slow motion. The Nexgo D90 is a dash cam that records in 4K with an impressive 150-degree field of view. It has a built-in GPS and G sensor, which means it can record the location of your vehicle at all times, as well as when an accident has occurred. The Nexgo D90 should be used with a 32 GB memory card to ensure that you'll have plenty of space for recording. The Nexgo D90 has many useful features including a 2.4 inches HD screen, a motion sensor, a G sensor that records when there's an accident or sudden impact, the capability to connect to Wi-Fi so you can view footage from your phone, GKU 4K and 1080p mirror dash cam. It's a mirror dash cam, and it doesn't just record in 4K, it also records in 1080p. The camera offers a 170-degree wide-angle view, so you can see everything from the front of your car. The device also comes with night vision and motion detection modes to help make sure nothing gets missed. While this camera has all the bells and whistles you need for recording your drive, it also provides safety features through built-in GPS. It can track where you've been, how fast you were going, and even where you are right now. Plus, if there's an accident or incident while you're driving, it will automatically send emergency services your exact location so they can get there as soon as possible. The XCGA 4K mirror dash cam is a great choice for anyone who wants to keep their eye on the road, but also wants to make sure that they have a record of what happened if they get into an accident. It has 2 cameras, one facing forward and one facing backward. This means that you'll be able to see what's going on around you, as well as behind you. The device also features built-in GPS tracking, so if someone does hit your car, you can use the location data from the camera to find out where it occurred and who was driving at the time. If there was an accident or any other type of incident, this information will come in handy when dealing with insurance companies or law enforcement officers. The Ticar View 3 mirror dashcam is a high-quality dashcam that is easy to set up and use. It comes with a 2.7 inches LCD screen, so you can quickly see what's happening in front of you while you're driving. The camera has a built-in GPS function that will record your location, speed, and route information. It also has a G sensor that will automatically detect any collisions and save footage from the 5 seconds before and after the incident. The camera will then automatically save this footage on its SD card so that it can be retrieved later if needed. The Ticar View 3 mirror dash cam captures video at 1080p HD resolution with 30 fps recording capability and has an ultra-wide lens, 140 degrees, for capturing every detail in front of you on the road. The camera also comes with a built-in microphone for audio recording as well as a speaker for playback through your vehicle speakers or headphones when reviewing footage later on. You can use this device as either a front or rear-facing dash cam thanks to its mounting bracket. Check out the links at the description below for more details. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.